We are incredibly excited to present our newest car amplifiers, the stunning RD lineup, offering amazing performance and value at a very accessible price point. In terms of price point, they slot in below the XD amplifiers without giving up very much in terms of performance or functionality. Compared to JX, the RDs offer substantially more capability, performance, and installer friendliness. The new RD amplifiers were designed in-house by the same engineering team that brought you XD and HD amplifiers, led by our senior amplifier engineer, Bruce McMillan. Like the XD amplifiers, RDs are built on JL Audio's NextD Class D switching technology, so you already know they sound fantastic, stay cool, and offer rock-solid reliability. Surrounding all the good stuff inside is a sleek new industrial design with a very high-performance feel. The main chassis is cast in one piece from aluminum alloy, providing plenty of heatsink and very convincing heft to the amplifiers. Installers will appreciate that all connections are along one side of the amplifier, with the controls on top, beneath a gasketed protective cover. We even designed the round logo badge so that it can be positioned right side up or upside down to compensate for the mounting orientation of the amplifier in the car. Let's get into the feature set. Just like the XD-V2 amplifiers, RD amps feature 3 different turn-on modes: traditional 12-volt trigger, signal sensing, and DC offset. They also include our noise-killing differential balanced inputs, which maximize compatibility with a wide range of source units and signals. A new feature being introduced on the RDs is an output clipping indicator for each channel section, which will make setting input levels easier than ever. All you have to do is set the source unit at 75% volume, play an appropriate full-scale sine wave test tone, and rotate the input sensitivity control clockwise until the LED lights. Repeat for each channel section, and that's it. No voltmeter, no waiting, and a very accurate gain setting. Also brand new is an improved solution to bridging channel pairs. With previous JL Audio amplifiers, bridging a channel pair required using Y adapters on the inputs if you were using a mono signal. To simplify installers' lives, the RD amps include switches in their stereo channel input sections, labeled input type, stereo, or mono, eliminating the need for Y adapters. The basics are also there: fully variable crossover frequency selection for the 12 dB per octave onboard filters, and input voltage range selection for line level and speaker level input signals. In most cases, you won't need LOCs if you are using a speaker level signal as an input. Just use one of our speaker wire to RCA cable adapters. There are 4 RD models to pick from: 2 monoblocks, a 4-channel, and a really awesome 5-channel system amp. The monoblocks are a 500 watt model called the RD 500/1 and a 1000 watt model called, you guessed it, the RD 1000/1. Both offer onboard low-pass filters, an EQ boost circuit adjustable via an onboard rotary control, plus a port for the RBC1 controller to control subwoofer level from the front of the car. The RBC1 is sold separately. The 4-channel RD 400/4 delivers a solid 75 watts times 4 at 4 ohms and 100 watts times 4 at 2 ohms. To make it super flexible, it has dual-mode crossover filters selectable as high-pass or low-pass, so you can use this amplifier as a subwoofer plus satellite amplifier for smaller systems, or as a 4-channel satellite amplifier paired with one of the monoblock models. You can also bridge both channel pairs to create a really powerful 2-channel amp with 200 watts by 2 at 4 ohms. The 5-channel RD 900/5 essentially combines the 4-channel and the 500 watt monoblock into one package. In most applications, it will deliver 75 watts times 4 to main speakers, plus 500 watts to a subwoofer system. High-pass filters for the main 4 channels and a low-pass filter on the subwoofer channel take care of crossover duties. It also includes an RBC1 port for subwoofer channel level control, but it does not have the EQ boost control found on the monoblock models. Again, the RBC1 is sold separately. So there you have it, the new RD amps, an unbeatable combination of performance, features, and value in a really beautiful installer-friendly industrial design. We think you're going to love selling and installing them.